openclaw is going to enable the next billion-dollar ideas, and I think that's actually the best thing about it. So there's one application that I've been looking for the last couple of days. I can't believe it doesn't exist. But then when I think about how you would build it, I realize it has to be based on something like openclaw. So I just finished a huge SaaS application for a client. We're talking over 100 screens, and they want end-user documentation, and not documentation of the code base or documentation of the repository. I'm talking about end-user documentation in multiple languages that shows the different screens, what the different fields on the different screens are used for, and basically maps out the business processes. Now, something like Claude Code is not going to be very good at that because you're going to need to have access to something like the openclaw browser extension in order to be able to have the application that you're using to write the documentation go from screen to screen and page to page, and then work on each of the different pages, putting in sample information and then documenting it. Now, this is the kind of thing that openclaw actually enables, and I think it's a real billion-dollar idea because everybody's talking about how the software is being written by vibe coding and how vibe code is replacing software engineers, which it's not. But the reality is it's the technical writers, the people who are writing the documentation of these SaaS applications that every client needs on these large enterprise applications that I think is the next billion-dollar idea. So if anybody's got any ideas of how this would get done, let me know. I mean, I think it's a bunch of browser controls and screenshots and generating Word documents in HTML, but I think it'll be pretty interesting. Let me know.